In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect your Instagram account to Meta Business Suite. By the end, you'll have your Instagram linked so you can manage posts, messages, and analytics all in one place, which saves time and keeps your brand consistent. First, open Meta Business Suite. If you're on desktop, you'll see a left-hand menu. Look for Settings. On mobile, it's typically the small gear icon. Head into Settings to get started. It's helpful to make sure you're logged into the correct Business Suite account with the right permissions for the page you want to connect. Having your Instagram login details ready will also make this smoother, especially if you use two-factor authentication. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Profiles, then select your page. This ensures you're connecting Instagram to the exact Facebook page you manage. If your business has multiple pages, double-check you've chosen the right one before continuing so your content and messages land in the correct workspace. Under the Connect Assets area, click Connect Instagram. This is where Business Suite links your Instagram profile to your page and enables features like unified inbox, post scheduling, and insights. You should see a prompt guiding you through the connection. If you already have an Instagram account, click Log into Instagram. Enter your Instagram username and password when asked. If you use two-factor authentication, be ready to confirm your login on your device or with a security code. This is a normal security step to protect your account. Next, follow the on-screen instructions to complete the connection. These prompts may ask you to confirm that you're linking the right Instagram account and to grant permissions so Business Suite can access messages, comments, and insights. Take a moment to review these prompts and allow the requested access. It's required for features like scheduling posts and responding to DMs from Business Suite. If you manage multiple Instagram accounts, confirm you've selected the correct one before finalizing. Once the steps are complete, your Instagram account will be linked to your page. You'll now be able to create and schedule posts and stories, reply to comments and messages from a unified inbox, and view analytics like reach and engagement directly in Business Suite. This integration helps you plan content, track performance, and collaborate with your team more efficiently. That's it. You're connected. With Instagram now linked to Meta Business Suite, you can manage your presence more confidently and keep everything organized from one dashboard.